Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mehak Sabir and my group members are Muhammad Hamza and Abdurrahman Nadeem. And today we are here to give the demonstration of our final year project, which is the hospital guidance robot. Now I'm going to discuss the problem statement. The purpose of making this robot is to reduce the difficulties of the people because hospital is a rushly place which makes it difficult for patients to go to their desired place. And finding places by themselves waste a lot of time. Keeping in mind all these problems, we thought of making this robot. This is totally innovative project and will be costly effective. As nowadays world is facing COVID-19, in such situations handling anything can face a lot of difficulty. So this robot can help us to easily bring anything to such places like hospitals or any rushly area.
So now I will explain the components that we are using in our project. The first component is a speaker. The speaker will tell the patient where the patient wants to go. Then the patient will tell the robot that where he wants to go in the mic. The mic is connected to voice recognition module V3. The V3 voice recognition module can store up to 80 voice commands, but in our case we are using only 2 voice commands for 2 rooms. We are using IS sensor for part detection for our robot. It has a transmitter and a receiver. It uses infrared waves. The black color absorbs infrared waves and black color comes in front of it. It detects that I am on path. Then it sends a signal to Arduino, which is our brains and bronze of our project. It then decides where the robot will move, and then it sends the signal to L298 motor driver. It is a powerful motor driver. It can drive up to 2 DC motors. We are using PWM signal to control our motors, and we are also controlling speed of our motors using PWM signal.
So now the most exciting part is here. Now I will explain how our project is actually running and the logic behind this project.
इंटरनेशनल अस्पताल में खुशामदीद। डॉक्टर के पास जाने के लिए 1 बोलिए, लैब में जाने के लिए 2 बोलिए।
1 2
So when the user give instruction to the Arduino will process and give instruction to our different components, which will process accordingly. If the user say he want to go to the doctor, the Arduino takes his instruction and it will move toward the room number 1. So we have a right turn in order to going to the doctor's room. So we just place a stop just before the right turn. So the robot will get instruction that the robot will have to move to the right direction. So when the robot reach to its first stop, we set a smart algorithm which turn on the left motor and it start moving the robot toward right direction until both sensor get back to the white surface, and then it start moving forward until it get another black stop. Then both motors stop working at this destination, which will be its final destination, and the robot will stop. Now the same process is repeated if the patient want to go to another room. It moves forward. When it detect the stop 1 for room 1, it ignores and it move forward till until it get another stop indication. Its algorithm again start working and it will start moving toward right direction. So the robot will move toward right direction again, following the same formula, same algorithm that we explained earlier. So by following these algorithm, the robot will move toward the right direction and reach to its another destination.